The Federal Aviation Administration. I'm also an active board member of the Southfield Community Health in Quincy. And we are voted one of the Massachusetts #1 healthcare organization for the Asian population and the third in the United States. This evening, I stand before you to express my strong support for closing Quincy Public School on Lunar New Year in recognition of our vibrant Asian community. For the past 3 years, Quincy residents had consistently advocated for the change through petition and letter to the school committee. However, the committee has yet to approve this request. What will it take to get this to yes? Our rapidly growing Asian community deserves recognition of Lunar New Year's and acknowledgement of their cultural heritage. Recognizing Lunar New Year with a school closure will demonstrate the committee's commitment to inclusivity and respect for the cultural tradition of a vital segment of our community. Let's celebrate inclusivity with a yes vote on a school closure for this important holiday. I urge the Quincy School Committee to finally recognize the Lunar New Year with school closure. Thank you. I have 1,000 petitions here from the residents of Quincy. May I approach present this to you?
I'm Dr. Stephen Tang, and I am at Hancock Street 435, where the Southfield Community Health Center has opened its business over a third of a century ago. I started the health center 52 years ago to help with the health needs of the linguistically handicapped people in Boston, and we've done a pretty good job. We now have 36,000 people we take care of, 10,000 of which come from the sphere community. And so I'm here to share a little bit of our thoughts quickly, and thank you, council members and mayor, for your time. Okay? The Southfield Community Health Center was founded 52 years ago with a mission to provide health and well-being for all medically underserved in Massachusetts, with a special focus on non-English speaking Asian Americans who did not have a voice then. There were people that were pregnant, had no prenatal care, in the shadows of tufts and all that sort of stuff. And when it came time to deliver, they were delivered not in their language. So I set forth with a bunch of other people to start the health center. By providing high-quality, community-based healthcare and health promotion programs that are accessible linguistically and culturally competent to these populations, Southfield has become the largest Asian primary care provider, again, over 36,000 active patients. So in 1996, we expanded our service to Quincy, tentatively first at the McDonald's in South Quincy, and we later on built 2 places at 435 Hancock and 80 Home Street to house our complete facilities. And there we take care of 10,000 Quincy residents, okay? As a board of directors, we have always thought that the Lunar New Year was very important. We only have 8 major holidays. We made one of them the Lunar New Year. That's been on for over 30-some odd years. And the Lunar New Year is the most important annual holiday that our staff and patients celebrate with their extended families. It's not just a day to have food, but it's a family event that honors their heritage, their relatives, and the ancestors, okay? Together with our staff and patients and board, Southfield values this as a significant cultural event, supports other Quincy community efforts to recognize the importance of this Lunar New Year. We hope this input is helpful. Thank you very much.
I'm here today because I'm deeply concerned and upset by the recent discussion about using our taxpayer dollars to hire private legal counsel regarding the city council vote to recognize the Lunar New Year as a holiday. This is an unnecessary expenditure of our limited resources and undermines the decision made by our elected representatives who have already shown their support for this important recognition. Mr. Boutro, I've been to a lot of these meetings. You have suggested many times that the city should consider this issue so important the city should take action, and they have. They have precisely done that, and by voting in favor of the ordinance. It is disheartening to see that this committee contemplating legal opposition to the decision that clearly reflects the will of our community and our leaders. And I hope today, with that item on the agenda, I hope you vote against it, because that's exactly what you mentioned in the past multiple times. Ms. Cahill, as the chair of diversity and inclusion, it's also upsetting that you will oppose this and then propose for a tax funding or taxpayer fund to contest this decision. And then in the past, you mentioned that you're concerned about parents needing to stay home on Lunar New Year. They have to take a day off, it's understandable. But how is this any different from other holidays that we observe? Our school calendar already includes holidays that accommodate various cultural and religious observance, and adding Lunar New Year is a step forward for their inclusivity. The decision to recognize Lunar New Year is a significant and positive step toward acknowledging and celebrating cultural diversity that enrich our city. Rather than spending our precious resource on legal battles, let us focus on fostering an inclusive and supportive environment for all our students. Thank you for your time, and I sincerely hope you will reconsider this unnecessary and divisive use of taxpayer money. Let us move forward together, united in our commitment to diversity and inclusion. Thank you.